3, 2, 1.
A group gathers around to watch a match. Two people. What happens next? The answer is C. Engage in martial arts inside the ring. Why is Molly so proud in this narrative? The answer is C. Molly is captaining a ship. In maths, the hexadecimal numeral system has a base of which number? The answer is B. 16. In every country in the world, except one, moving the head up and down means yes, and moving the head side to side means no. In what one nation is that not the case? The answer is D. Bulgaria. In Field of Dreams, what reason does Shoeless Joe give Ray for why he can't come into the corn? The answer is A. You're not invited. What term is used for a female horse that is aged 4 years or under? The answer is C. Filly. How many destinations does Bill Clinton Intercontinental Airport serve? The answer is D. 182. When solids change to gases, they generally pass through what other state? The answer is C. Liquid. Why is the narrator upset despite traveling to an exotic place? The answer is D. The narrator is feeling homesick. Plate, how would you do this? The answer is A. Holds my food. Ball stabs my food. A woman makes a tattoo in the arm of a girl while cleaning with a tissue. The girl, what happens next? The answer is B. Makes pain gestures in the face. Why was it so loud? The answer is D. None of the above choices. Which of the following is a Playhouse Disney show that features two Australian brothers who always try to help? The answer is D. The Koala Brothers. Henry Lee Lucas confessed to more than 500 murders. How many murders was he actually convicted of? The answer is D. 11. When did Bertrand Russell die? The answer is C. 1970. When were the annual All Japan Judo Championships first held in Japan? The answer is B. 1930. When can producers make the most food? The answer is A. Summer, because there is more sunlight. The spectrum is made up of discrete lines representing transitions of the hydrogen electron between specific energy levels within what? The answer is A. The atom. Which of the following is a second messenger that stimulates release of calcium ions into the cytoplasm? The answer is B. Inositol triphosphate. What year saw the founding of Kathmandu's fire department? The answer is C, 1937. Nicole was studying different ecosystems. She compared the number of plants living in a forest to those in a desert. Which factor best explains why more plants may survive in a forest? The answer is A. There is more rain in the forest. In what year was the first Indigenous Australian elected to the House of Representatives? The answer is D. 2010. What type of meal is the idli, which is very popular in South India? The answer is C. A cake. Which of these is not an American movie with a character who is autistic? The answer is A. My Very Wonderful Boy. In what year did Leonid Brezhnev come to power? The answer is D. 1967. A team of swimmers are huddled in. The team gets in the pool. Two teams. What happens next? The answer is A. Play water polo against each other. In a 1977 poll, what percentage of respondents rejected life imprisonment to the death penalty? The answer is A. 29. What is the name of the first town built by Europeans in the Western Hemisphere? The answer is A. Isabella. In genetics, what do you call characteristics that are passed from a parent to child? The answer is A. Traits. Why did she conspire? The answer is B. She did not want to go to an event. In what year did Diana, Princess of Wales, marry Elizabeth's son? The answer is D. 1992. When did the show Lou Grant air? The answer is A. September 20, 1977. September 13, which Academy Award-winning actress voiced the dragon in the film Eragon? The answer is C. Rachel Weisz. Guinea pigs are very intelligent, highly social animals that use special vocalization to communicate. What does their whistling or weaking sound express? The answer is D. Excitement. Why did they skip their blog yesterday? The answer is D. They had a full schedule yesterday. What year did King Sigismund Roman III Vasa move his court to Warsaw? The answer is D. 1596. Make alcohol-infused candy. How would you do this? The answer is A. Soak gummy candies in vodka for a day. Which of the following gives the total spin quantum number of the electrons in the ground state of neutral nitrogen Z equals 7? The answer is C. 3/2. There were all types of enchantments guarding the Sorcerer's Stone. Which teacher put the flying keys there to protect it in the first Harry Potter book? The answer is D. Professor Flitwick. Where did actor Dax Shepard grow up? The answer is C. Michigan. What was the founding year of the New York Daily News? The answer is B. 1919. Sugar is added to water and the mixture is stirred. Which observation is evidence that the sugar dissolved in the water? The answer is A. Less sugar is visible. What might be different if they didn't have an oven carriage? The answer is A. They would have cover from the rain. The electronegativity of an element increases with increasing of what state? The answer is A. Oxidation. What seemed to have caused the injury? The answer is D. They were doing some exercise. In which of these movies did Edward Norton sing? The answer is A. Death to Smoochy. L.S. Farrah Fawcett appeared in several commercials, including a campaign for what shampoo company? The answer is B. Wella Balsam. The field of organic chemistry studies the structure and reactivity of compounds containing what element? The answer is A. Carbon. Besides the 1994 American Comedy Award for Lifetime Creative Achievement, what other significant award did comedian Rodney Dangerfield win? The answer is C. Grammy. Cereal box, how would you do this?